ever feel real bad? Did the wind go whoosh and strong? Did it push your wings all wrong? Now you're cold and feeling blue. Don't be scared, we're here for you. Tweet, 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 don't feel shy. We will help you, you won't cry. Tweet, 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 you're not small. Max and Zoe love you all. Let's find twigs and bits of string. We'll make a nest, a cozy thing. A little pillow, soft and round, so warm and quiet, not a sound. It feels just right, so soft and sweet, like Mama's hug with hands and feet. Come and snuggle, close your eyes, underneath the cloudy skies. Max and Zoe made it best. Time to sleep and take a rest. Here's some water, take a sip. Here are seeds, just peck and nip. Look at him, peck, peck, peck. He's feeling strong. What the heck? Thank you both for being here. Now I smile from beak to ear. I feel strong, I want to try. Let me see the open sky. My wings can flap, my feet can stand. Can we search across the land? Let's check trees, both short and tall. We might hear a chirpy call. I see leaves and branches too. Could my mama be near you? Look at that, a tree so wide. Let's peek under, side to side. Wait, I hear a little sound, a tweet that's soft and spinning round. That's my mama, yes it's true. Her tweet is warm, it's loud and new. Thank you both for walking near. Love and help have brought me here. A flap, a chirp, a call so clear. Is that my mama? Is she near? Mama, mama, it is you. I missed your wings, your song, your coo. I searched for you both day and night, through wind and rain and cloudy light. I heard your voice so loud and strong. I flew to you, it didn't take long. My baby bird, you're safe with me, back in my arms where you should be. Max and Zoe helped me stay, they kept me warm the rainy day. We built a nest, we gave you cheer. We're so glad your mom is here. Thank you, friends, for all your care. You showed me love was always there. Now I'll rest inside her wing, wrapped in love I want to sing. My wings feel light, I'm ready to fly. up with Mama into the sky. But first I sing from beak to beak, a thank you tune for friends so sweet. You helped me when I fell so low. You kept me warm, you helped me grow. We're happy that you found your way. Your chirps will cheer another day. Remember us when skies are gray. You're welcome back any day. Tweet, 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 we laughed, we played. We built a nest, we weren't afraid. Every friend, both big and small, deserves some love. And that is all. Bye-bye, Max. Bye-bye, Zoe. I'll never forget your loving glow.